Hello everyone, today I'm thrilled to share my unforgettable journey to the sacred shrines of Kedarnath and Badrinath, a trip filled with devotion, adventure, and an abundance of divine energy. Our journey started in Bengaluru, where we caught a flight to Delhi, opting for this route instead of Dehradun due to limited and expensive flights. After landing in Delhi at 3:30 p.m., we hopped into a cab priced at a daily charge and embarked on a road trip to Haridwar. The drive along the expressway was smooth, dotted with local dabas where the food is delicious, but the rates can shoot up for unsuspecting southerners like us. We finally reached Haridwar around midnight, ready to experience the spiritual wonders of the Do Dham Yatra. We began our day early at Har Ki Pauri, a sacred ghat in Haridwar, where the Ganga Aarti at dawn is a sight to behold. After the Aarti, we took holy dips in the Ganga, following ancient King Bhagirath's legendary act of washing away sins. By 9 a.m., we were on our way to Rishikesh, the adventure capital of India. Rishikesh welcomed us with thrilling adventure sports, starting with the 16-kilometer rafting down the rapid currents of the Ganga. The rapids were tumultuous and unpredictable, but we as a team managed to breeze past all of them, making it an even more satisfying experience. Next was the 109-meter splash bungee, offering spectacular views and an adrenaline rush like no other. By late afternoon, we headed to Guptakashi, a serene town with its own fascinating legends. At 5 a.m., we drove to Somprayag, the starting point for the trek to Kedarnath. Post police verification and a 5-kilometer journey using jeep to Gorkund, we began the ascent on foot, covering a 21-kilometer trek through narrow, steep paths. Despite the challenges, muddy trails, pushing mules, and icy streams, the views of the mountains were simply breathtaking. After a grueling 10-hour trek, we reached the camp just a kilometer from the shrine, with temperatures dropping to -2 degrees Celsius. It was an intense yet rewarding journey. At dawn, we bathed in hot water and joined the queue for Kedarnath darshan. After hours of waiting, we finally witnessed the divine presence of Kedar, the temple's holy rock, and Aghoris performing yagnas added to the mystique. After offering prasads, we made our way back to Gaurkund on a mule, completing a challenging yet fulfilling journey. The drive to Shrine Badrinath was equally thrilling, with narrow roads prone to frequent landslides. We reached Badrinath in the evening and immediately headed for darshan. The fast-moving lines made it a pleasant experience, followed by a soothing dip in the Taptkund, which is a natural hot spring in a climate with 2 degrees Celsius, a true wonder of nature. After a 13-hour drive back to Delhi, we spent the next day exploring the city. We indulged in local delicacies, visited India Gate, and shopped at Sarojini Market. It was a perfect end to a divine and adventurous Do Dham Yatra. My Do Dham journey was an intensely spiritual and divine experience, filled with unforgettable memories. If you have any questions or want to know more about planning a trip like this, feel free to comment or message me. Until next time, stay blessed and keep exploring.